Good morning, happy Saturday. Today is Canada Day. It's gonna be a big one today. I think I'm gonna get a bunch of footage of fireworks, hopefully, weather permitting. But right now I'm off to track practice. So that was 4x1500 with my good buddy Andrew Shepard, who is back from the University of Guelph for the summer. 4x1500, so the splits were, I believe, 455, 450, 451, 445, which means we went down from like 318 to 310. Felt okay. It's really muggy and really sweaty today. There are thunderstorms rolling in later, so hopefully that doesn't mess with the Canada Day plans. Yeah, it is awesome to be running with Andrew again. He's a super cool guy. So I'm just gonna make some food now, and then take my dog for a walk, and then head down to Cambridge to hang out with Maddie and go to some Canada Day celebration. I'll probably shower at some point as well. It's probably a good idea. Check out that rain. This is a crazy, crazy downpour. So I'm headed out now to Cambridge to hang out with Maddie for a little bit. We're gonna make dinner, and then we're gonna go see some fireworks and hopefully get some cool shots. I brought my tripod, so hopefully the shots will be a little bit better than just handheld.